Hey guys, Mike out here. We're at the Nobleton Fair for the 4th year in a row.
I found my love in Portofino, perché nei sogni credo ancora, lo strano gioco del destino, a Portofino m'ha preso il cuore, nel dolce incanto del mattino.
We're featuring Treviso North and Treviso Realty with the homes from Nobleton, the gates of Nobleton, and obviously Steve has a bunch of homes from Florida. So come check us out. Thanks for viewing us, hanging in with us again. We're offering a one-time, obviously, coupon just for the event, $2,500. Come get your $2,500 gift card for Treviso North Realty. Can't wait to see you guys.
Hey, Steve Zonardo here with Treviso North and Treviso South. Welcome to our Nobleton Fair event. Have a look. We're doing our Remax. Obviously, we're promoting the Nobleton community that we are selling down the street. And then also we brought in our Florida division. You kind of take a look. We're bringing in all the communities that we sell up, down south. So you can always give us a call if you're looking for a property either north or south of the border.